Let's read sight words, words and sentences. Eat, are, and, come, have, little, play, they, hear, said. Again, let us read. Eat, are, and, come, have, little, play, they, hear, said. Let's read. It is my gun. Again, it is my gun. Here is my pen. Here is my pen. I have 10 pens. I have 10 pens. We are in the cab. We are in the cab. It is a little bag. It is a little bag. Pan and jam are in the box. Pan and jam are in the box. I like to play with my pet. I like to play with my pet. She said, I have a little cat. She said, I have a little cat. They like to jog. They like to jog. Come and play with me. Come and play with me. Good job, kids!